Cycle question, that 4 years we complete a cycle, 1, 2, 3, 4, but it actually takes 16 years, okay, before we complete the big cycle. And on the 17th year, we started what we had on year number 1. Here is 16, but after the 16th year, right, we start in a 1 extra day. There are 364 days in 13 moons, 91 times 4. After that, we're into the next cycle. The word time equals to 47. The word area equals to 44. 16 and 8. Half area of space, 28 and 11. These two are 8 and 2. That is your cycle. 44, 8 and 2. This is 1 and 7. 1, 7 is the passing. 1 times 7, 1 plus 7 is 87. That's what happened to Canadian dollar, the penny, the 1 cent. 8 became 10, 7 became 5, 5 and 1 became Mars. 6 and 1 is 78. 28, 44 area space. And 19, artificial intelligence. But this is also 28. 1 and 1 is 2. 1 and 16 is 7. See the way we get 2 G's, right? But inside the G at the beginning of it, it's an E. Back to its own center. G is larger than its own area. Have you ever seen this design? 33 coming together, 2 connections, 1 connection, and a tail. This will give us an answer to something. So let's go back to this cycle. This is the cycle of the leaps. So we need 73 times 4 equals to 292 years, the 17th year. Okay, so every 16 we go back to a full cycle. So we're going to go back and we're going to see that the full cycle, since it's 16 years to complete a cycle, and it's 32 years for the freezing point. It's 24 to the day. It's 12 to the half day. 3.14 is your DNA. 1 and 2 equals to 3 ABC. They say let's start on ABC. 514 is your DNA in the IT system of the gateway of the halfway house of the sun. Raising children in the heavens of spirit. Inside the world of life, 22. 2 and 2, this becomes 26 in the beta dog heaven. This becomes 4, the number to life in Mars, man, and the day of man of the 24 hours that he came. But man came in on the day of the 144th and the 121st hour. He came in at the 120th hour, okay, but it was the starting of everything. If you add 1 to 15, it's 120. The 144th hour and the 145th hour, he's in the next world. We're passage on the rim. 28-day cycle. 12, 14, 16, 18. And as we go this way, cycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 2, 3, 4. Why is it 2, 3, 4? Because this is 7. 1 and 6 is 7. What is the first 3 you get? 1 and 2, 3. What is the first 5 you get? 1 and 4, 5. The next 5 we get is number 23. So now we're into an alternate current of a different divide, of a different situation. We have the half day. We have the whole day. We have 1 day and a half. Creation, 9 lives of the cat of man. The word son of man is 48, and it stands for Pluto. 54, and the 9 birth, 54 is Pluto. Your vibration is at 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's your 1. Here's your 2, 3, 4. Here's your 5. So since 5 is half between everything, then time is 72. Win a big red sun. Win a big red sun in 88. Those are the double skies. 8 times 8 is 64. The word 0 equals 64. 30 and 34 is 64. Creation of DC. 4 and 3. Artificial intelligence is another way to say it. 1 inside 9. We come down to many areas in rotation through the 7th gate. The sun coming in through Pluto. Saturn, and Mars. 4 times 6, 4 plus 6 equals 24 and 10, equaling to 34, which equals to number 1. So now that we have that equaling to number 1, I want to show you something else with number 1. I think we did this already, that 1 equals to number 34, and 6 equals to 52. In between 1 and 6 is 2 and 5 and 3 and 4. Spirit of the half-life. So now we're going to get back into this and do it one more time. We have the cycle of the moon is 27, right? Which is 28.5. 28.5. 2 times 28.5 is 57. 2, 5, and 8 is the passing through the moon, the split moons. 1, 4, and 7. 1, 4, and 7 is the spirit passing. 1 splits through 4 of the 7th gate. They're all expressions. I make these up, but you can put as you want. When you get back to 4, you get life, you get area space, and we get the split gematria scale. Remember, the first day of the year this year was a Sunday, and in the piano, the first one is an A. The second Sunday in this year will be the 8th day. The third Sunday this year will be the 15th day. The fourth Sunday will be the 22nd day. Okay, and the fifth Sunday will be the next month, will be the 29th day of this month. 2 and 9 is 11. 1 and 1 is 2. Okay, 1 and 1, AA, Ahovah, which is Ahovab, Ahovaba. Whichever way you want to look at it, it's a K. Ahovah. So now inside the 9 area over here, 18, we get the sun, we get time, and we get the birth. There was other things to go after the full 73-year cycle. We have 3796, the gateway to your birth and creation. We did the Orion already, passing. We did the keyboard. Did we not do the keyboard? How ironic that the dollar sign is on 4, that the percentage sign is on 5, because it's a percentage between 6 and 9, and the halfway gates is 7 and 8, because the penny split over here. The penny didn't, this penny splits over here, okay? Excuse me, the penny splits over here between 2 and 3, and between 7 and 8. 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 10, 10. 8 and 3, 11. 7 and 2, 9, 9, 11. That's where the penny splits. I usually talk about 7 and 8, but the penny splits here. That's why I call it, when I talk about the 10 world split, if you want to talk about the seventh gateway to the 10 world, right? The 7th gateway to the 10 worlds. 8, 2, 7, and 3. 7 is in creation in the B world. That's why they go at. Where are you at? I'm the number sign. I'm number 9. I'm 4. I'm spirit, the percentage of 6 and 9. I wear the hat, and I am the half moon. Try and change all these for another language and see what you spell. Raphael 7286 from the House of Paint. Thank you for watching this video.